It's a heavy metal show today. Hi everybody and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew with the latest package received from the good people at Gaahleri that I'm excited to show you. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video for some Gaahleri Black Friday Cyber Monday deals. This one is another in their Kaleido ColorWorks paint series. I'm unboxing a brand new package of their metal colors, a set of 12. I recently reviewed their auto colors set and featured some of those in my Maple Leaf Customs videos. Gaahleri collaborates with my channel, so I'm fortunate to receive these for testing purposes, and I'm happy to pass on what I discover to you. Many of you have already made purchases on my recommendation of airbrushes and mini compressors and paints and sent me great feedback. Let's see what's in the box today. I've got the primary color set of 24 en route, so that video will be upcoming. The auto colors are at the bottom right of that folder, and these are the metal colors. Nice to get a bottle of cleaning solution. Each of these is 20 fluid ounces. Compare that with Vallejo and some other brands that give you 17. You can see the whole metal color palette in the brochure, and I'll go through these one by one and show you the full results at the end. I also asked them to include a bottle of black matte primer because I spray most of my metal paints over top of black. This will be part of the testing on different pieces like these greeblies that are 3D printed, some steampunk components. I've already gone ahead and primed each of these in the black. Spaceship parts. I've got a couple of cars to go into the spray booth as well today, because that's my hobby. All the Kaleido ColorWorks paints are airbrush ready. I do give them a good shaking, but they can go straight into the airbrush with no thinners, no levelers required. Here I'm spraying the matte black primer onto a Hot Wheels Porsche 928 that will feature in an upcoming video. So you'll have to come back to see that in its completed state, along with the other cars that I'll be test spraying here. I clean out the brush in between these, of course. This is the champagne gold. All of these are metal colors. That's what it looks like on white. But I'm putting it on top of matte black, which always brings out the richness of the metal colors much nicer. First coat goes on lightly, and I can already see it's beautiful. Two passes over the cars always does it with the Kaleido ColorWorks paints. I'll set that aside to dry. Now this is zirconium black. Onto a clean white spoon. You can see that's high gloss. Now here's a pre-primed spoon in the black matte. See the difference? And I'm going to put the zirconium black over top of matte. You'll notice a difference. This is a Mercedes AMG GT3. Also been primed in matte black, but look closely, you'll catch the new shine on top. Another cleaning of the brush. This is silver. There's that same spoon with zirconium black on it. I want to do a fade paint job with the silver, so I'm seeing how that's going to look. Little teaser. Same car, about an hour has gone by. The zirconium black is set up. I'm using all Gaahleri airbrushes in this testing video too, mixing up the needle sizes. The silver covers the black nicely, and I fade it at the doors. Show you that at the end of the video. Red copper on a black matte spoon. Also instant coverage. It doesn't take 2, 3, 4 coats to achieve this. This is a little Schuko brand Volkswagen Beetle Cabriolet. First pass looks gold. A little bit more, you can see the red coming through in the red copper. Hey, that's striking. Scorched gold. There's a couple of different shades of gold in this set of 12. Oh, that looks nice. Another Beetle. This is a Hot Wheels hardtop. First pass already looks good. Going over it the second time and the interior as well. Oh, these are beautiful. Now here's an application for you die-cast customizers. I've got a flat black roof painted on this Superbird, and then I carefully taped off just the edges. I'm getting in really close with some aluminum. Turn the PSI down and you'll see I'm only pulling the trigger about halfway back just to get the chrome window edge effect. Stay tuned to see that unveil too. Okay, Gaahleri is currently running its huge Black Friday Cyber Monday sale, and you can use the links that you'll see in the video description for big savings. They're having weekly flash sales on things like the Kaleido ColorWorks paints that I'm testing today, various airbrushes, the Serenair mini compressor. This is just a sampling. Full information on their webpage. And coming soon, the brand new high-end Aventus airbrush. You can always use my affiliate link for a 10% discount, and stacked on top of the Black Friday deals, another 10% off Amazon purchases using this code from Maple Leaf Customs. Right, so here's everything I sprayed, laid out together in the order that Kaleido numbers them 1 to 12. Starting with the zirconium black KM001. I haven't put a high gloss varnish on any of these. This is the AMG. Remember the back half was sprayed high gloss zirconium black? I've already started some decal work on that. It's a custom that's coming up on my channel. Number 2 was gunmetal. Now, I didn't show that previously, but I shot this spoon and a greebly in it. I didn't put a full coat on top of the greebly. I want a little bit of black shadow to shine through. That's how I would apply it in any kind of work that I do. Number 3 is tungsten steel. I shot that on top of one of these steampunk pieces from a die-cast casting. Titanium alloy, number 4. On a steampunk water pipe. Also allowing some black primer to show through for shadow effects. That's sharp. Stainless steel is number 5. I put that on this 3D printed rocket thruster. Some heavy, some light areas for different shadow purposes. You saw me use the silver on the Mercedes AMG. Let's go back there and have a look at the front half that nicely covered the zirconium black, faded it together at the doorway. So that's something you can try. And the aluminum metal, number 7. Did it on this little boiler steampunk fitting. It's also the one that I use for the window trim effect on the Superbird. Here it is unmasked. Nice, sharp, crisp edges. That's a great metal paint application for the die-cast customizers to use. Now, granted, they look similar, checking out the spoons, but there are subtle differences. The same holds true for these last 5. The red copper stands out here. I think that's going to become one of my favorites. Remember the little Cabrio Beetle? Again, there's no varnish finish on these. This is just the metal paint application. The regular copper, number 9, strikes me as more of one of the gold shades. You can see it here on a 3D printed greebly. A hint of black showing through. Scorch gold, a little bit darker. All of these shot so nicely out of the Gaahleri airbrushes. The champagne gold on a Porsche 928. Memories of Tom Cruise in Risky Business, driving that one into the lake. And there's number 12, Flashy Gold, which I applied to the spoon as well as to this steampunk engine. And there you have it, the Kaleido ColorWorks Metal Colors set of 12. Make sure you don't miss out on the Black Friday deals that are happening right now. Follow the links I'm putting in the description, along with my thanks for watching today. I hope you found this helpful. Drive carefully. It's coffee time.